Boys and girls, I got some very exciting news. 2 years, 2 months after the passing of Sandor, I've got a new seagull. And I mean new because Marsha was born this year. And as you can see, her plumage is that of a baby. I'll put some Tesco chicken on the lawn. And Marsha thinks I'm a little bit too close because we're in the early stages of our relationship. There she is. And she's flown away. I think she's going to come back. If I move, I'm sure she'll come for her breakfast. Oh. She's joined by her friends. But her friendship is very limited because what she's doing, she's shooing off all the other gulls to say this is my territory. There you are. Now Marsha is very, very young, but has already developed this adult nature.